Welcome, people, bots, and algos of the interwebs. This is another edition of the Analyst. Today we are understanding matrices. The report built interface seems that there are two different data region elements called tables and matrices. The reality is that they are actually the same thing with only one minor difference in the configuration. So we are going to create a new paginated report. Create a table. We'll choose table and matrix wasn't. Select data set, select warehouse stock. Now, we'll pick the fields. I'll select the stock item name field, drag and drop it into values. I'll select stock group name and drag it into row groups. So I'll take the color name and drag it into column group. Here we have the value box, the row groups, and the column groups. Now, this is what differentiates a table from a matrix. A table includes values and optional row groups. As well, as soon as you add a column group, you've created a matrix. That's it. That's the only difference between the two. If you have a column group, it's a matrix. If you don't, it's a table. Column groups work the same way as the row groups. And we will grow the matrix horizontally to fit data where the row groups expand, the table vertically. So let's build a matrix that looks at two different product categories. Stock items name, stock group name, and the color name. Let's proceed and press next. Go to the okay. So if you have one or more columns in a group, specified all fields in the all fields in the value field list must have an aggregate function specified. Because stock items name is a text field, only two aggregate functions that will only work is count and count is distinct. So we choose count. count up the number of items at the intersection of a specific color and a group name. Or we can sum up the values we are working with numeric data in the values box or find an average. If you have worked with aggregate functions in Transact SQL queries, then these are going to look a lot familiar to you. Since we're dealing with text values, the only aggregate function that actually works is counter distinct. That, that I'll apply the count function to our stock item's name. I'll press the next button and I'll press the next button and it lets me through. Leave the default option on the screen to show subtotals, grand totals. Press next and then you're finished. Let's format this report a little bit. It's going to expand report. I'm going to shrink the column name, um, color name, column, and expand the count. Left align everything. Make sure all the names, columns are all left aligned. Run this report to see what it looks like. Before saving and publishing it. See, we have 130 black items. Of clothing, 22 are black. Computer novelties, 35 are black. We have a total of 58 clothing items, of which 22 are black, 11 are blue, 4 are brown, 8 are steel gray, 13 are white. Have a total of 207 items. Go back to design. I'll give this report name warehouse matrix. What? Give the report as warehouse matrix 1. The report in web portal. Okay, warehouse matrix 1. This is a matrix. It allows you to aggregate. It allows you to get aggregated information at the intersection of multiple categories. The formatting and properties of a matrix are exactly the same as those found in a table. The only difference is the inclusion of a columns group.